Number 4 is not just a tour. This one is about evolution. And we're watching the Upper East Side evolve right in front of our eyes. Now let's see. Let's check out this 1,300 square foot 2-bedroom residence with north and east exposures. We're going to begin in the secondary bedroom, which features its own en-suite bathroom, modern, sleek, and thoughtfully designed for comfort and privacy. Light pours into the secondary bedroom, and the proportions feel just right. Just down the hall, you have a powder room that is thoughtfully designed. You got stylish fixtures, elegant finishes, and it's totally guest ready. But let's check out the primary suite. This primary suite is private and peaceful. This corner retreat includes a private balcony, a generous walk-in closet, and a luxurious en-suite bathroom. The primary suite has a whole vibe of its own, bright, open, and wrapped in sunlight from the balcony-facing windows. Now, the en-suite bathroom, you're going to find a double vanity, a deep soaking tub, radiant heated floors, and a glassed enclosed shower, all wrapped in Venato porcelain tiles, ascended with Italian marble and polished nickel fixtures. Now, let's step into the heart of the home. An open kitchen with a large marble waterfall island, perfect for entertaining, outfitted with a full Miele appliance suite, Scavallini cabinetry, and signature polished nickel fixtures. The kitchen flows effortlessly into a 32-foot living and dining space, light-filled, expansive, and inviting. And just beyond the floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, your second private balcony, creating an ideal indoor-outdoor lifestyle.